Hey guys, so in today's video, I'm going to be talking about free art courses that you can find online. Now, most of them are paid, but I have come up with few websites which offer you free courses as well as paid courses. So, yeah, let's just jump right in. So the first website is Artist Network. Now, this website basically focuses on traditional art, and as you can see, they have a lot of topics covered up on traditional art. You can go to Create, and you can begin with the how to start, and they come up with basic topics that you should know before you even start traditional art. And if you're someone who wants to start learning art from the scratch, like from this traditional art, then I would highly recommend this website, as they have a lot of topics covered up. um, Top 5 do's and don'ts of drawing anatomy, which is amazing, and they have got watercolor painting tutorials. So when you go to one of these courses, or one of these topics I should say, and they are completely free. The ones I'm looking on, they are free. So they basically kind of explain everything to you, and then they have a little tutorial at the end as well, which is quite amazing. So if you're someone looking for some online courses for traditional art, I would definitely recommend you to check this out. And they also have a tab which says art events and competitions, so you can actually find out competitions that are happening around the world and art events that are happening around the world, if you're interested, and if you want to just kind of explore um, the art community, the traditional art community, then yeah, this is amazing. Next one is Skillshare. Now, you must have heard about it a lot, and if not, Skillshare is a platform, or a website I should say, which offers paid and free courses in different fields. As you can see, they offer in animation, creative writing, film and video, fine art, and so on. So just suppose you want to learn Procreate, just type in Procreate, and it will come up with various courses. And they're not even courses, they're like topics, like small topics covered up. And so suppose I go on digital illustrations. So what they basically do is they put on these small videos, and yeah, you have these set of videos like the introduction, getting started with Procreate, using brushes to draw thumbnails, sketching on a new layer, and they kind of cover everything up. So which is really amazing. It's kind of like a step-by-step thing. So that is why we call it a course. And yeah, I really do love it. And I actually started learning digital art from Skillshare only, and it helped me a lot. So I would definitely recommend you to check this out. And yeah, not all of the courses are free. Uh, as you can see, this one is free, but if I click on something else, suppose illustrating in Procreate, as you can see, all of these videos, small lessons are locked. And for you to unlock those, you'll have to have the premium version of Skillshare. So as I said, not all of these topics or courses are free, but you should definitely check this out. And even if they are paid, even if you are able to kind of afford these courses, they are not crazy expensive. You are actually investing in your art or in your passions, so it really doesn't matter. You should definitely check this one out. If you are a master already, then you can become a teacher at Skillshare, and yeah, and earn some money. So the next one is Paintable, and Paintable is all about digital painting. And you can also join their community and get weekly free tutorials. So Paintable offers you with free as well as paid courses. And if you are a complete beginner, they have this ultimate beginner's guide where they tell you about everything about digital painting, like what is digital painting and what tool you should be using, what softwares you should be using, and all of that stuff. And they also have resources in which they talk about different tablets that are available in the market, different softwares, apps and tools, brushes, books and courses, and this is also absolutely free. They also have this thing called blog, and where they have like different mini tutorials. They also have something called inspiration, in which they actually showcase or kind of like 30 spooky digital paintings for a scary Halloween. Just for inspiration, you can take inspiration from these great artwork. This is amazing. I really love this. And they also tag the artist underneath the picture. This is amazing. I think this website is a whole package for digital artist, and I am digging this. I really love this. You can take inspiration from these artworks, and yeah, this is it. I highly recommend Paintable for anyone who's looking for digital painting courses. Even if they are paid, they are amazing. So yeah. So the next website is Control Paint, and Control Paint basically offers free courses on digital painting, and they also have some paid courses as well. But first, let's just talk about the free courses. And if you go to the Get Started tab, they come up with some three-step thing. So if you go to digital painting, they I'll tell you about the basics of for digital painting, and if you are a beginner, this is for you. As you can see, they have covered up all the basic topics, layers, color, blending paint, which is amazing, and all of these tutorials are really short and simple and straightforward. You can also purchase some of their paid courses by going to their store, and all of these courses are just for $10, you guys, which is not very expensive. So I think every artist should know about Control Paint, and if you don't know about it, I would highly recommend you to check this website out, and especially if you're a beginner, this is for you. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. This was really short and simple. And yeah, do tell me which website is your favorite down in the comment section. And I will see you guys the next time.